Throw some cloves into the toilet. You'll thank me later. Prepare a pan and fill it with water. Then add a handful of cloves just like the ones I'm holding. Drop them into the boiling water and let them simmer for a few minutes. They have natural, refreshing, and antibacterial properties. Cook until the liquid develops a nice color and smell. Remove the pan from the heat and strain the liquid. Pour it into an empty spray bottle. Add 1 capful of fabric softener to make the scent pleasant and long-lasting. Add about 50 milliliters of vinegar to help remove dirt, and finish with a spoonful of dish soap to boost the cleaning power. Close the bottle, shake it gently, and it's ready. Your homemade cleaning spray is now good to use. Just spray it around the toilet and wipe with a cloth to refresh the surface. You can also use it around the sink or on the tiles. Forget store-bought sprays. This one works better, smells natural, and costs almost nothing. Do this as soon as you notice mold around your windows. After this method, the glass won't fog up, and the musty smell will disappear completely. Start by preparing a bowl and adding 3 tablespoons of dish soap. It helps dissolve grease, dirt, and dust that promote mold growth. Then add a cup of vinegar. It has disinfecting, antifungal, and antibacterial properties, while also neutralizing unpleasant odors. Add a tablespoon of regular table salt. Salt is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs excess moisture from the air and prevents condensation on the windows. Mix everything well. Now grind a few cloves, preferably using a coffee grinder, and place them in a container. Cloves have natural antiseptic and antifungal properties, and their scent repels insects. Pour boiling water over them and let them steep for a few minutes. Then add a cup of this clove infusion to your bowl and mix everything again. Pour the solution into a spray bottle using a funnel. Spray the window seals and the area around the windows to prevent mold from returning. This mixture absorbs moisture, stops condensation, and keeps your windows clean, dry, and fresh smelling. I've been using this trick for years. It really works. Pour some cloves into this liquid, and you'll get rid of those harmful and annoying problems once and for all. You'll be surprised by this clever solution because it has remarkable properties. Prepare a pan and pour in some water. Then add a handful of cloves and simmer them over low heat for 10 minutes. After that, remove from the heat and let it cool. Use a fine strainer or cheesecloth to separate the cloves from the water. Once the liquid has completely cooled, add 200 milliliters of disinfectant. Then also add 200 milliliters of vinegar to the mixture. Finally, add 2 teaspoons of dishwashing liquid. Gently but thoroughly mix the solution to combine all the ingredients. Pour the cleaning mixture into a spray bottle and you'll be able to eliminate bacteria and viruses. This solution is perfect for disinfecting the entire kitchen, especially countertops. The scent of cloves will also repel insects such as flies, moths, and ants. For best results, store this liquid in a cool, dark place so you can use it for a long time. This is a simple way to make your home smell clean and fresh. Additionally, it's a great method to keep your house free from insects and pests. I've never had such a lovely fragrance in my home before. Prepare a small bowl and some sea salt. Add 4 tablespoons of salt to the bowl and smooth it out with a spoon. Now, take a smaller bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol with 1 tablespoon of water. It's important to keep the proportions correct. Pour this mixture into the bowl with salt and mix thoroughly. The alcohol will prolong the effect of the air freshener. Press the mixture down firmly. Next, add a measure of your favorite fabric softener. Mix everything together and press it down again. Add 5 drops of eucalyptus oil. This oil not only smells pleasant, but also repels flies, mosquitoes, and ants. As an additional repellent, stick some cloves into the mixture. For us, cloves smell wonderful, but for insects, they're a natural deterrent. Now your air freshener is ready. You can place it around your home. The best spots are near windows, on tables, or in the bathroom. This air freshener will repel bugs from your home. They hate this scent. It costs next to nothing to make, and the effect is amazing. Your home will smell great for a long time. Put cloves under the bed. Start using them not only in the kitchen. This spice has more uses than you think. However, few people take advantage of them. Have you ever used cloves on the windowsill? Or by the door? Have you ever tried keeping them under the bed? This application of cloves will solve many problems in the house. And you'll regret not knowing about it earlier. Just 1 tablespoon of cloves is enough. Grind them in a grinder or blender. This will extract a more intense fragrance from them. Transfer the ground cloves to a bowl. Sprinkle a pinch of cloves on the windowsill, by the wall. Also, sprinkle them in front of the front door or the entrance from the terrace. Instead of sprinkling cloves, you can place a bowl with them in these places. Leave them on the windowsill, by the front door, or under the bed. You can mix ground cloves with warm water. After some time, strain them through gauze into a spray bottle. You can spray such water in places where insects and bugs appear. Cloves repel ants, wasps, silverfish, bedbugs, and even spiders. You can also get rid of cats from the garden. Just spray the ground with water with cloves. You can also spray your skin to repel mosquitoes. As you can see, cloves will come in handy wherever you don't want pests and insects. Mix cloves with mothballs. You won't believe the results. My mom used to do it this way. Her method is very simple. It's a straightforward homemade recipe. Pour 250 milliliters of water into a pot. You'll use ingredients for the mixture that you likely have at home. Among them are cloves. Pour a generous handful of cloves into the water. This spice works perfectly against all kinds of insects. Moths, flies, mosquitoes, bedbugs, and even ticks don't like their smell. Boil the cloves. The water will start to change color to a light brown. Turn off the stove and leave the pot covered until it cools down. When it starts to get warm, various bugs start appearing out of nowhere. Cloves effectively deter them. When the water cools slightly, pour in 200 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar is excellent for disinfecting surfaces where insects appear. It also effectively repels many of them. Flies and ants don't like its smell either. It even works on aphids. Add mothballs to the mixture. They not only repel moths, it's an effective way to deter many other insects, including sugar ants or cockroaches. Not only insects dislike their smell, many animals also avoid places where they smell these balls. If you have alcohol, add 200 milliliters to the mixture. The blend will last longer. Pour it into a bottle with a spout and use it on the terrace, in the house, in the garage, or in the summer house on the plot. You can also use it as a freshener for various places. Pour it into a small bottle and place it where you want to get rid of insects and worms. Make this simple jar just like our grandmothers did. Put 3 sprigs of rosemary inside, add a handful of cloves, pour in alcohol, and finish with some salt. Close the jar and shake it gently. After a moment, soak a cotton pad and wipe your feet and wrists. It's a quick homemade way to boost circulation. Your body relaxes and unwinds after a long day.